We are here at Nyali Bazaar, where China Square is. It is along Links Road, just after Kongwea Market as you head towards Nyali Cinemas. So tulikuwa tumefika hapa kuona nini iko hapa ndani. Tutembee, just let us carry you along. Hapa section ya ground floor kuna maua, artificial flowers, so many varieties. We are checking. Pia kuna artificial plants. So we decided tuende juu kwanza, tena tuangalie nini huko juu, then we come back later. So come along, tuende pamoja tuangalie nini huko kwa Nyali Bazaar. Kuna curtains hapo. Mostly niliangalia pesa ni around 1500. Hapa pia kuna sofa tables. Hizo ni 45,000. Na hii pia pool table. Kuna sofa sets hapa. The varying prices. Na kiti hata na sofa 125,000. So unaweza pata kitu yote mzuri. The quality is very good. Ukishika unasikia kiti ni smart. They have really good things. They admired the setup. They admired the dining tables. Saidia huko kwingine. Very good things. Napenda glass. Kuna za wooden. So different kinds, different. So the colors are different. Kuna zingine za 45,000, 35,000, 85,000, depends on the quality and maybe the design. So tuliamua kutembea kwa sofas.
Toilets are not there. Maybe the souls. Maybe they check it out. No?
We are still moving. Come along.
Showcase video so that people can see.
So let's go. Tuendelee kutembea. So these are placed in your curtains. The lighting was not good for the camera. The settings were not okay, but the prices ilikuwa kuna za 25.90 na kulikuwa kuna za 10.80. So everything depends on maybe the type, quality. So if the quality is maybe the material, so the prices are very fair, guys. Vitu zao ziko poa, price iko fair. So we are checking the curtains. Na kumekuwa kuna hii section pia, more curtains. Tukiendelea kutembea huko, tuangalie. I love this one, so nikaamua kuangalia zaidi. Yeah, but we'll check on it later.
It's in case, yeah. 1800. Look next. 3,000.
So these are their mats. Plastic containers, buckets, watu wakufunga vitu za nyumba, plastic ziko nyingi sana. The prices are very affordable. So another part, this is another beautiful part niliamua pia kupitia kuangalia. So these mirrors, they go for 3,100. So we have kama hiyo ilikuwa naangalia hapa. Hapo chini ilikuwa ni 3,100 na kuna nyingine hapo chini zaidi kwa 3,670. On the higher side niliona moja iko 5,780. So vitu zao ziko ni ukiwa uko na pesa yako, kama uko na pesa yako mzuri unapata tu vitu smart. Unapenda mirrors, these are they are not ziko poa. So we were checking around, and then we noticed something else. Tukaamua kwenda huko mbele pia. So to move along, tuone nini iko huko ndani. So this is the car accessories section. Kuna steering wheel covers ziko hapo. Pia kuna hizi spray paints 160 na then 450 pia. So we're just taking the prices and comparing the prices. Yeah. So kama uko na gari yako, this is a place for you. Steering wheel covers. The price is 1680. Then there's this art section for those who love art, home decoration. There's these beautiful, well-designed pieces, 780. Na kuna hii section nyingine hapa ndani pia. Many things. What a home decor. This is a place. So many things, guys. Nature, those who love nature. So these are kids section, maliko toys, magari za watoto, baiskeli, but something caught our eyes, so tukaamua kwenda kuangalia kwanza. So these are candle holders, tuenda kuangalia hizi kidogo. So the prices here are different, they are beautiful and so glittery. Ziko varying prices. Kuna za 22,000 ukiwa na 2,000 to from 1,000 to 5,000 to 10,000 unapata kimoja yako. So it depends on the design and maybe the details. Yeah, kama hii hapa chini ilikuwa ni 36, those ones. So the more details, the higher the price. Kuna hii section nyingine, so party people. Then tukaamua kwenda kuingia hii section kwenye kuna mipira na michezo. You know we love fun and games. So there are these darts, they are very cheap, not expensive, 115. Na dartboard yake iko hapo pia 470. So Kama wewe ni mtu wa kucheza mchezo ama kupenda family time na watoto mnacheza weekends, this is a good place to get these things. So this section, it was more of a activity section. Kwa mipira, fun and sports. This was that section. So these are bicycles. We have so many bicycles. The prices are fair. I'm just admiring the thing that we have. And then the gym section caught my husband's attention. So tukaweza kuangalia hapa tena. These are dumbbells. The 20 kg one went for 6,145. So if you want to open a gym, own a gym, or just have some pipettes in your home, it's a place to be. So many things here. If you want to work out, ladies, you can just come and pick one. So I said earlier, the prices are fair. Kuna jaribu kuinua moja na nikaona hata siwezi kuinua, ilikuwa nzito. They are very heavy. They are very heavy. Nashangaa watu wanaenda gym, kweli wanaenda gym. It's not easy. Seeing more skateboards, and we decided to move to a different section. This is where electricians, plumbers, so hapa ndio section ya vitu zao, wajenzi, so kila kitu iko hii area. Ukitaka nyundo, ukitaka nini, lamps, whatever, everything is just here. So it's a very big space. Decided to move. So these are stationaries. Hapa watoto wa shule, vitu za shule, vitabu, pies, yeah, everything school. So CBC ukiitishwa projects unakuja hapo. Then we move to another different location. So these are office equipments. Tulikuwa tunaangalia hapa, admiring the things. They really have good taste. So kama hizi ni office tables na viti zake, furniture, office furniture. So this whole section carried office furnitures, and the prices of the chairs you can range around 10 to 15k. So there are different kinds depending on someone's taste. So tuko tunaangalia hii, checking the quality also, not bad. Started to move along. And then there's this one caught our attention. It was 27,500. It looks so beautiful, and the quality and the chair just so beautiful. I love this one. We're just admiring, checking and looking. And we decided to move to a different section. So basically what I learned about China Square is that wako na a lot of furniture, a lot of good things. So guys, we moved to a different section. These are ring light mirrors. And that is my husband there, it's the director. So we are checking these ring light mirrors. I was just trying to explain to my husband how it is made and where to place the weight. Say to move. So basically this section is more of lightings, chandeliers, as you can see on the roof. So it is more of lights. So those are chandeliers, all kinds, and more lights. So if you want to make your ceiling look good and beautiful, this is the place. We have so many varieties, and the prices are also fair. check around and admire before leaving this space to a different section. Decided to move to a different section. There are these chairs, guys. These ones we have been looking for this kind of chairs, so tuliamua kuangalia. They are beautiful. And the prices are also fair. You're not allowed to sit. So tuliona kuna kashimo kadogo hapo, ndio maana tuko tunashangaa, but they are just good. So this is the cookware utensils. Kuna vyombo nyingi sana utensils. So tulikuwa tunaangalia vyombo hapa. Later on we bought a few. So kwa vyombo nayo wako na vitu za kupikia, sahani, wako na vitu mob sana. And the prices are fair and the quality is very good. Yeah, the prices are fair and the quality is very good. So we decided to pick a few items. And actually ukikuwa hapa unaweza kushindwa uchukue gani, because it's like you want everything and everything is good, but you just have to pick what you want at the time. So the prices are fair. Hapa vitu ni mob na vitu zote ziko smart. Hakuna kitu mbaya. So and they cater for everybody. Kila mtu akona taste yake. So I think the reason why they have so many things, so that every culture ama everyone, kila mtu hawezi kosa kitu. So I decided to pick these ones. I love these ones. I like this. These are melamine and partition plates. Yeah, and they were very heavy. The quality was very good, so I decided to pick a few pieces. My husband was checking on this one. Alikuwa na jaribu kuangalia compare kama hiyo na hiyo ni gani itakuwa better. But we finally both of us settled for that one. So for them, how much are they? The 345.
345. So yeah, 1,000 and something. Then maybe we'll go to the
Because I've done. Organizer. prices are just almost like what I can say. Yes, they're not that cheap. They're affordable. This is in glass. For four. The price is just okay. Oh, please, your phone. I think I need a rectangle one. Which one do you think? Chini sasa kwenda kuangalia flowers and the artificial flowers, then we check out. So this is that. Tunashuka huko chini. So these are flower fences. Unaweka flower yako alafu nazungusha. Fence ya flower. So this is the setup. Supposed to look like that.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the flower supposed to look. Yeah, wanajua vijana wanauza expensive.
This is for four.
This is how much? For 20.
20. You get 2 of this.
Is it? Let's check the other flowers up here. So what's back to that one first? That way you don't see. You see, I'm telling you, but not the size. The size.
Oh.
Tutaangalia usaidie alafu to make decision.
Hii ni 3K.
3K really.
Na inapata kiangusha page.
Usisoma.
Hii ni nzuri kwa unajua sio.
Sio nini ya dawa. Angalia ile kwa.
So,
kuna hizi hapa za baskets pia.
hizi
Cool. Yeah, kana kwanza hii na mimi sikuwa napenda hizi colors. Beautiful eh?
Hapa hii pia.
Yes, awesome.
Hey, yeah, this one. Beautiful, cool. Beautiful, simple,
Ako
poa. Even cheaper.
Na hii haipasuki.
Kutoka lava kwa straight kwa juu. Hapo kwa plants.
Wamejaribu.
Wamepita mtaani.
Visual yao imewapata.
Visual yao imeweza.
Actualika. Go decorate yourself.
Unaenda poa.
Hapana, we are making decisions. Napenda hii. Hata kako kwa sukuru. That too. I think they have too much, eh?
Huh?
Nafasi fanane.
Because the different colors, na orange.
Oh, hiyo orange imefinywa sana. Ama chukua white. Ama white. Ama una prefer hii. Chukua hii. Nimekuwa kuzani. Ninapenda mapari mengi.
Yes, look at the visuals, see the